Hello, welcome to my channel. It's another time to learn something new, and in today's video we're going to learn how to sew in a closure when you want to make a wig. This is a 4x4 closure. Some call it full closure, but it's a 4x4 closure. So the 4x4 is the measurement on all sides, so that means this is a perfect square. It's 4 inches on all sides. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pin one side first. As you can see me doing, I'll pin that side, and once I want to pin the other sides, I'm going to stretch it just like I'm doing. I'm going to pull it a bit to my side to make sure that there are no lumps in the closure. So I will pull it very well, but not too tight that your closure will now rip off, but you make sure that you pull it so that you will get a flat finishing at the end of the day. So the next thing to do is to sew in the closure after I have secured it to the wig cap. Now I'm going to be using needle and thread. That means I am hand sewing, but if you have a machine, you can use your machine to sew as well. So I'm going to start. You see, started my knot a little bit down below the closure, and that is to ensure that there are no knots or lumps in my closure. So you just follow the secured closure, you sew it round, then you will have your closure secured to your wig cap. If this is your first time of coming across any of my videos, my name is Abiodun, and in this channel I make videos, tutorials on everything here, makeup, gele, and everything in between. If you have not already subscribed, please do so and turn on the notification bell so that you can get the notification anytime a video is posted. Also, if this video was of benefit to you, please give it a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to share it with friends and families. Let's make it go viral. Thank you.